Hey, what's going on? My name is Noah Alexander with Classic Car Studio here in St. Louis, Missouri. We do sales, service, restoration, everything right here in-house. Let's take a quick tour of our facility. Tiffany, the always loved. We're gonna cut through the office real quick. This is our most important tool, the foosball table. All right, I'm gonna take you out in the interior shop. We do all of our interiors in-house. And it's kind of where it all goes down. So sew up everything over here. Obviously storage, a work table, we've got a router. These guys are working on some wood for a pickup truck bed. Not exactly the interior, but back along the back wall, we've got a bunch of forms we can make patterns with for different interior components. We work mostly out of plastic in the interior these days, but cuts well in the router. Say hi to the camera. We have all of our fab equipment, and this allows us to, every car is very, very custom. So at the beginning of every restoration, we do a lot of sheet metal work just to get everything right. We make a lot of custom panels, interior components, whatever it takes to make it all go forward and work. So back here we have Mark and Travis. There are two guys back in the Fab Shop at the moment. Back here we have our ArcLight Dynamics plasma table. It's a CNC plasma table. Since we got it, it's really helped us speed up some processes in terms of making brackets, big panels, firewalls. We can cut them really, really quickly on here. It'll actually take a pattern and scan it, and then you can cut it right out. So saves a lot of money for our customers. It makes the jobs go faster. Travis is working on the rear bumper for a 67 C10. Say hi, holler at him. And over here we've got a really cool 55 Chevy we're working on. So Mark has been doing a lot of custom work to it. And we have pretty much all the metal work done at this point. So as soon as the metal work's done, he's putting some last little pieces on it. We'll send it over to the body shop, which I'll show you in a second, where we'll start doing all the body work and get the panels really straight. Now we're going to walk into where we do all of the mechanical work. So it's about 15,000 square feet in this area. So back here we have a laser alignment rack. This is great because these cars are usually way out of alignment. At least most of the stuff we service is. So after we're done with it, people are usually surprised at how well the stuff actually drives. So basically, in a full restoration, after we've gone through the metal and done the body work, we come back here to the mechanical side and do final assembly and get everything together. We also do all of our exhaust work over here. Up on the left here, we've got a 67 C10, and we've done most of the metal work at this point. We're getting the exhaust fit, and then after that's done, we'll be headed over to the body shop to get the panel straight. We're doing final assembly on a 67 Mustang over here. We've got a Texas Mile car we're working on over here. It's in the very, very preliminary stages of the build, obviously. Back in the corners where we shoot all our photos for inventory cars and also projects we've been doing. We try to document everything every step of the way. Follow me this way, we'll go check out the body shop. This is our body shop. I'll take you through there real quick. This is Dan. He's working very, very hard on this 34 Ford. Getting it ready for body work. Whoa, buddy. Did you want to say hi? He doesn't talk, but he's really, really talented and he works so hard. Next, I'll take you to the paint booth in our mixing room. Come on this way. We've got a Trans Am that just came out of the paint booth, which I'm going to walk you through in a second. Obviously, we paint all the cars in here, as it is a paint booth. We spray all Glazerite products. In here we have our mixing room, and we do a lot of custom colors, so we've got a pretty sweet computer here that tracks all the products. And then obviously our paint bank, lots of different paint chips that customers can choose from, or we can make something up totally custom. Last but not least, we've got our showroom. We started off buying and selling cars about 13 years ago, and we still do that to this day. My current pride and joy, the Sleeperado. So We have customers all over the world we sell stuff to, which has always been interesting. So lots of good people to meet out in the car world, and selling stuff to them seems to get that done. So it's about 15,000 square feet in here. We recently got some racks to get stuff up in the air and free up a little bit more space and make it happen. So check it out, the shop. If you're ever in the area, please feel free to stop by for a tour. Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.